Hello, New School Beyblade here, and, whoa, never mind. Today, I'm doing a little weird unboxing video. It is Beyblade Beyblade Burst. The original Roktavor R2. So yeah, something different, old school, because I wanted this for a custom I'm doing. So yeah, for our attack, there's the back. The original packaging really looks different. I don't have any of my other packaging I kind of saved, but yeah. Pretty cool. This is a single pack. So yeah. Attack, and you probably know this is a stamina type, so yeah. Nothing is new with that. Hasbro, of course. Just got this in now. I literally just picked this up from outside. But yeah. Here's Roktavor R2. Pretty cool color. Here's guard. And the stamina tip. Pretty good. But yeah. This is gonna be an extremely short video, but yeah, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.